Assalamu friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of HW Ultra 3 from Howear 5G Plus. So it comes with the SIM and AMOLED display. It also comes with Google Play Store. So we're going to see how it looks like, and you can buy this from Wearpie, www.wearpie.com, and I will also put the link in the description. So it has YouTube, TikTok and all of the good stuff. So it comes with 5G plus. I don't know if it supports 5G plus SIM, so we are going to have to test that, and I will upload a full review video later. So let's see how it looks like. I got it in black color. You can also get this in silver one. So basically it's an Apple Watch Ultra 2 replica or alternative, you can say. So let me just quickly cut the plastic. Let's peel the plastic off. And there are so many clones and replicas available in the market right now. So I will also make a review on which one to get. So stay tuned for that as well. And here, as you can see, we have our quick start guide. So as you can see, which is in different languages. So you can pause and read. So let me just quickly put this to the side, and yeah, we get a quick start guide. You can read this if you want to set the watch and if you want to learn how to use. So here we also get a free cover case, which is really nice, that you get a cover case to protect your watch. So let's see what else is we get in the box. So we got 3 straps, which is really amazing to see, and we got a really premium quality straps. So here is our charging cable, and the strap quality is amazing, guys. So here is our charging dock, as you can see, and here is our other strap that we get. A really premium strap, guys, honestly. That is very good to see. Here is another one, nylon strap. So we get 3 straps with this, which is amazing. So let's see if there's anything inside the bottom. Nothing so far. So let me just quickly take out the watch, and here is our watch, Android 5G, and the sides are made out of plastic, guys. I don't know why they use the plastic material on the sides, but it's not cheap plastic. But still, guys, they should have made it aluminum at least. So anyways, I'm not complaining, but let me just quickly show you. Here is the watch. Looks very nice from the front, as you can see. And here is the cover case. So the cover case is difficult to put, and I'm not gonna put the cover case actually. So as you can see, it's very hard to put the cover case on and then take it out. So let me just at least we get a free cover case, which is good if somebody wants to put it. I really don't like the cover case on the watch, honestly. So let me just quickly show you the watch. On the right hand side, we have our crown button, which has 3D rotating camera, and a power button. On the back there's a plastic. We have our heart rate sensor and everything else. So let me just quickly remove the plastic from the back, and as you can see, on the left we have our action button, which I believe you can change. I'm not 100% sure. So the plastic, it is made out of plastic, guys. Honestly, the material that they are using is plastic. I can definitely tell. And let's quickly remove the SIM. By the way, we get this SIM tool inside the box, so you can remove the SIM. And here you can insert your nano SIM, but please be sure to contact with the seller and asking him if the SIM is going to work in your country or not. So let me just quickly put this inside again, and yeah, now let's turn on the watch. So there is no power button actually. The crown key is only what you call a camera rotating camera. So we're gonna see that as well after I boot it. So we get AMOLED display, real AMOLED display with 90 Hz refresh rate. So Yeah, it's quite light. As you can see, we have Watch AOS. It's their proprietary software, I don't know. So let's see how much time it takes to boot. Android is starting, as you can see. And now we are good to go. So here, as you can see, if I swipe from the right, we get our menu, which looks very smooth. And of course, this is I'm very used to the crown button, so it's actually not a button, it's a rotating camera. As you can see, 360, you can rotate it, and the quality is looking nice actually. So let me just quickly show you the quality. It's actually very good for a smartwatch. Honestly, they are using a good camera in this watch. So but I honestly don't get the point of having a camera inside the watch. So let me just quickly show you other watch faces, and let's keep this to the side. And here is our watch faces that you get pre-installed. So there are not tons of watch faces, but you can download it from the market dial store, and it is not smooth compared to the HK Ultra 1, but still it's very fast. But HK Ultra 1 is still one of the smoothest I've seen. So let's quickly check other watch faces. Here is another one, looks very nice on this beautiful AMOLED display. And we have palm gesture as well, and raise to wake feature. So let me just quickly show you. Here is our menu, and you can turn on the Wi-Fi as well. You can use Wi-Fi in this watch to download applications from Google Play Store, and you can also watch YouTube and TikTok. So on the left we have our quick shortcut. So these are all the good stuff, and you can install WhatsApp as well, and you can use it as a phone basically, because it comes with Android and a SIM slot. So here is our sports mode. Here is the animation. So let's just quickly try to start, and here are the animations. It doesn't look like the real Apple Watch Ultra 2 honestly, but still it's very close actually. The menu style is similar to the original Apple Watch Ultra 2. So guys, let's turn on the Wi-Fi and see if we get 5G network. So unfortunately we are not seeing any 5G networks, so that means you can only use the 4G network if you are connecting to Wi-Fi. So yeah, there is no single clone or replica that supports 5G Wi-Fi networks. So the touchscreen is also very nice, guys. The touch response is very good. So you can also turn Bluetooth as well and pair your devices, or like TWS or other stuff. So here is our battery, and you can also turn on the battery percentage. So the battery life of these watches are not great because it comes with a full-fledged Android operating system. So expect at least 1 day or 2 days of battery life only. So you can change also the animations of touch. I don't know what is this, but I'm going to show you in the full review. So the settings, if you go into settings, let's see what else we get. And the software is, let's go into about. Software version is 2.0.0. So model HW Ultra 3. So there is no options of currently seeing which Android version it is running. So you can also use mobile data as well if you insert a SIM card, if it is available in your region. We have Google Play Store, and you can download applications which are compatible with the watch. So here is our TikTok video currently, as you can see. you can watch TikTok videos on a smartwatch. I believe due to network it is looking a little bit sluggish on this screen, but yeah. So you can search for videos as well, different videos as well, and we get an update prompt. I'm not going to update the firmware right now. I'm gonna do it later. So let me just quickly cancel this one and let's get back to our video. Here's the video. As you can see, you can search for different videos as well. And yeah, it's working really nice actually. So I don't know who's gonna watch TikTok videos on their smartwatch, but you have that option as well. So let's search for our channel. And see if it can find. So yeah, it finds our channel, but let me just quickly go into our channel, and so there is you cannot watch videos. I don't know why it's doing like this, but there must be a bug or something. Let me just quickly click on this one. You can watch the videos from the home page, but yeah, here as you can see, looks amazing guys, honestly, to be honest with you, looks very nice. It's actually quite remarkable that we are seeing that you can play videos on your smartwatch as well, and it is working really nice. A little bit sluggish compared to the smartphones, but still guys, you can watch videos. And this is TikTok Lite. I believe the application is TikTok Lite. So yeah, the quality looks amazing guys, honestly. Now let's check the watch faces that we get in our dial store. So here are the watch faces. There are different categories. So if we click on the dial store, we have different categories, and there's our cartoon category. A few of the watch faces you can download from other categories as well. So let me just quickly go back, digital watch face, and let's download a watch face and see how much time it takes to download a watch face and to apply it. So here as you can see, let's quickly download this watch face. That was quick actually, so let's try to apply it. So yeah, it's downloading really fast, the watch faces, and look at the bezel size guys. The bezel size is amazing in my opinion. Let me know in the comments down below if you are liking the bezel size. So if we double tap, you can also go back to menu as well. If we double tap on the screen, it takes you to the menu. So here as you can see, and you can also go into the menu by the action button, which is on the left. So yeah, the colors look amazing and the display looks really sharp, as you can see. Let me know in the comments down below if you are liking the display of this watch. Let's try to download another watch face, this one, and see the animations. So yeah, it's downloading the watch faces very fast compared to the other clone watches. Here as you can see, check the animation guys, looks amazing and very smooth. Still not as smooth compared to the HK Ultra 1, but it's very good actually. So the things that I don't like about this watch guys is the build quality, that they are using a plastic material, but still in this price range I'm not complaining. So I will put the link in the description, and you can visit the website www.wearpai.com, WEARPAI, and I will also put the link in the description so you can buy from there. And here is the brightness. Let me just quickly turn the raise to wake feature and ambient display. So let's go back, and I'm actually very used to the crown key button for going back to the home. And yeah, So let's see the raise to wake feature. It is working fine without any issues. So yeah, here as you can see. So here's our ambient display, looks very nice, and you can turn this off, but it's also gonna drain your battery life. So yeah, if you like this video guys, leave a comment down below, click on that like button, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos, and share this video with your friends. And thanks a lot for watching my video guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Allah Hafiz.